Thanks, man.
Thank you.
Thank you. Lifesaver, man.
See you guys in about 10 minutes.
You want to tell us a little bit about the vessel?
82-foot Johnson. We're out of Lighthouse Point, Florida. We're on our way. The owner lives in Lower Manhattan, Tel Aviv, and Florida. We love this vessel. Excellent fishing vessel. Yacht fish.
Let's take a little tour on her.
Take a tour, and we love Doug. Doug and his sidekick. We love his work.
Coming aboard the 7Ds.
7Ds, man. You go around the bow and do your thing. Come on around. Come on aboard. Up here. And this is a cool shot right here, guys. We have the isinglass.
Gotta have it.
Yeah, man, gotta have it. Hey, man. What's going on? Stay on this deck. You're on the main deck. Come on in. We got the sliding glass door. Let me pop this door open for you, sir. Come on in. Come on into our main salon.
Air conditioning, computer systems, and more.
It's not about
As you
if your
can tell
car's
from the
not
pillow,
working,
they love
it's when.
Nantucket. The
Special
vessel will be in
administrators
Nantucket
say
for
you
3
don't
weeks.
Maybe a working man, hard working man is that. For about $100 a month, I get all the protection I need.
Come on in our beautiful galley, wide open. They like to have a view when they're eating.
For $1 billion in claims. With CarShield's nationwide coverage, you choose the Connecticut dealer for your repairs. Plus, there's no long-term contract. Call CarShield before it's too late and avoid another
Come on down
expensive
below.
repair bill.
We went the whole summer without the air conditioner.
Down. It's the master owner's stateroom. I don't have to say anything. You can see it. Vacuum cleaner. You can see it's got a cool head in there. I like how they join together.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah, isn't it? Look at that. That's his motto, man. Let's see, you know, the 7Ds, the fish. That's his deal, man. That's what he's all about. He just loves that. That's his logo everywhere. Show you the VIP. Then these are for the kids. They got a bunch of kids. That's kids here with the chef staying in there. This is how they do the kids and their grandkids, and then this, you know, this pops down. Pops down for a nice and cool. We keep it about 68. Nice woodwork.
It is very nice.
And then
woodwork.
everything has the skylights, all the staterooms.
I've noticed that.
Isn't that cool? And this is your, this is where Matt was staying. We use the whole yacht. We know the owner, so this is the VIP room.
Very nice.
Nice shower.
Very nice. Classy.
Yeah, isn't it cool? Yeah, good experience for you.
More control panels.
Yeah. Now you know all that. You know the boat, man. So we'll do some work when we come back. And if you want, you can come right up this way and we'll do the flat bridge area. Come on, man. Yeah, you don't want this shit. And then we got a nice ice machine here. Nice bar. Nice all the refrigeration is like this. double, loaded up with our beer and soda. And then the next level, there's 4 of these on board. This is where they and we do that. Got our ditch bag, our man over. We're offshore, man. We take this thing offshore. We don't mess around. Come this way. Let me drop this down. We're good. Got our Zodiac. That's our grill right here. And then this here is our freezer. This is a freezer where we keep all the frozen meat and shit. We got it, and we just took it down. We took it down to the owner's private meats and shit. That's a freezer. We took it down below.
Electronics up there.
Yeah, garment. And then this is our, this is for our bait. That's strictly for bait.
Is it cooled as well?
Yeah, shit.
Okay. Oh yeah, game time.
Yeah. We tripped the breaker, so it's got a little smell, and now it's back.
Sorry. Sorry.
And come down the back way. Okay. It's got weird lights, man. All the lights are, you go red, blue, white.
RGBs.
And they're all, up and down. Real stuff. You can go light, low, whatever you want. That's another refrigerator, storage, water. And then all the rods.
Very cool.
You want to do a shot of the engine room? Or you good? Or did you do some shots already?
Let's get one of them. I didn't do one yet.
Okay.
It's a fighting chair.
Yeah, fighting chair. Come on down. That's our bait well there, but I got to fill with supplies right now in the corner there.
Yep.
Yeah, it's a big bait well. Come on
So you'll be coming back when?
down. Around September, somewhere there. I get on and off the boat usually when the owner's around. Here's his locker right here. Here you go. That's some of his private shit.
Oh yeah.
That keeps it. That's
Washer dryer.
We'll stay out of there. That's captain's quarters. Do your thing, man. Yeah, it's weird. It took me a while to get used to coming in here and catching this little stuff here. And then another one right there. Kind of funky. Dolphins are nice, they're a little expensive. Got the digital AC right here, so you can see our supply. That's a big deal. Sure, that's our own end generator, one here, and then we have one in the back.
Right. Thank you for the tour, sir.
Then in here is our. It's kind of wild. This is where our other generator is.
Oh, another generator?
Yeah.
Back up.
Yeah. Anyway, I won't get in there. That's our that cup. We can run the whole boat on it. It's another own end. We just have it in there. It's in there and it's up high.
Get one more shot of the back of 7Ds.
Yeah, we got all the.
And we'll let you get to dinner.
And then, oh look, this is kind of cool. This is a Guy Harvey, the artist.
Mm-hmm.
He had that done for the boat. And then here, this is really cool. It's a bed. It's kind of neat. Now look at the theme that he uses for the.
Throughout the boat.
Yeah. And then his wife decorated, and they like the glass ceiling, you know, it's just what they're into. Nice, they like that type of marble.
I've noticed that.
Yeah, we got it. Yeah, they got a nice seat.
I like that table.
Yeah, isn't it beautiful? Yeah, that's where I have my coffee in the morning.
It's not a
Yeah,
bad
they
place.
said, hey, you guys.
Not a bad place to have your coffee in the
You can
morning.
drive here. Look, right here. So when he's on, that's where he's at.
Okay.
Come on down here, man. It's a little tricky on starboard, but he knows the boat now. He's a boat handler.
Wheeling around.
He's a boat handler. That's what he does. Cool, Doug. Cool. Yeah, they're power forward. They both go in 50 ampers. Just had the transom done, man. We just had that artwork done, redone, so it really came out nice on. Beautiful.